Caterpillar pose. Pile all your props as shown. Depending on your flexibility, add or remove some of the props. Relax your whole body. Release all effort. Breathe for 3 minutes. Frog pose. Give your knees protection using the blanket as shown. Rest your body over the bolster. Breathe into inner thighs for 5 minutes. Supported bridge. Place the block under your hips. Relax the weight of your pelvis on the block. Breathe for 5 minutes. Supported corpse. Support your lower back by tilting bolster and prop under your knees. Breathe for 5 minutes. Supta Baddha Konasana. Put one block under each of your knees and position bolster halfway up the spine. Breathe for 5 minutes.